Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your study plan with StudyAway step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the StudyAway website. Create an account if you don't have one. Log into your StudyAway account. Click on the study plan section from the main dashboard. Select Create New Study Plan. Input your course details, including subjects and credits. Choose your preferred study schedule. Add deadlines for each assignment and exam. Set reminders for important dates. Utilize the calendar feature to visualize your study plan. Review and adjust your plan for balance among subjects. Incorporate break times to avoid burnout. Save your study plan regularly to prevent data loss. Share your study plan with friends or study groups for collaboration. Seek feedback on your plan for further improvements. Monitor your progress using the tracking tools provided. Adjust your study plan as necessary based on your performance. Stay committed and revisit your plan regularly for updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.